Do you want to learn how to increase your views on your Instagram videos? Then watch this video. Hello, Just Start gang. It's Shanique here from startwithnique.com, the home of the Just Start University, helping you new and inspiring female Christian entrepreneurs who want to get over doubt and finally start an online business, even when no one knows who you are. So if you want to learn how to build an online profitable business, then be sure to subscribe to my channel, and you could also follow me on Instagram. Why should you add captions to your videos? Well, if your audience is like me, we scroll through Instagram on mute. We don't listen to what's going on. And if we're not listening, if we can't hear you, then you cannot project or communicate your service or your product efficiently if we're not paying attention to you. So that's why captions are going to increase your views, because you allow people to actually stop and see what's going on, because they don't have to turn on their volume. And not all the time do they not want to turn the volume. Maybe they're watching your videos when they're at work or in a time that they just can't turn on the volume. So having captions is going to obviously increase the amount of people stopping and watching your videos. And I'm pretty sure the reason why you are thinking to start a business for yourself is because you want to help serve and make an income. So I'm going to show you how to use this very easy tool to basically increase the leads into your business, because more people are going to be more willing to watch your videos and get to know what you're all about. So I'm going to go right into it and train you on how to use the 𝚑𝚑𝚘𝚎𝚘.com. Also, be sure to get the link down below, because you just click it down there. I put the link of the 𝚑𝚑𝚘𝚘𝚘. Also, my referral code is down there. It's going to really help the brand grow when they know that there are people out there that are promoting and sharing the brand. And just like you're going to want someone to support your new and establishing business. So be that support to them as well. I'm going to show you how I use the 𝚑𝚑𝚘𝚘𝚘 software. It is a website. You see here, these are the videos that I've already done. They're completed and they can be saved on the website and you can download it. But I'm going to show you how easy it is to caption your videos. So I'm going to add a new video. Okay, I'm gonna wait for it to load. I'm gonna pause it and go back. Come back when it has loaded. All right, awesome. And now this is basically when it is taking out the information from your video and making your captions, transcribing it right now. All right, awesome. And there you have it. So this is where you can just go over it and read that the transcription is accurate, because there are times that it could be different. For me personally, I slur my words a bit, so they may not be able to catch what I'm saying. So you could go word by word and listen to. Oh, you say you don't. Sorry, and listen to the video and making sure that the word match and make sense. Have what it takes. So you think you are not what it takes. You have imposter syndrome. I had that. Sometimes I still do. Probably will have it again. I'll let you know how I got over my imposter syndrome. And then you could just literally just tap it and rewrite it. Maybe you prefer some words with a uppercase, or the way you like to write certain things, the spelling, you can change it right that easily. You can change over the timing. Maybe you feel like, well, at least here, they may have cut off the wording in the video clip, so you can move it over. But I'm not really picky about that. I just want to make sure that the words and the spelling make sense. Follow me now. And I would just go through this whole thing, making sure that everything is spelled correctly and up to my liking. I'm going to pause the video and come back once I'm done. First, you want to be impactful and influential and making income even when no one knows who you are. That's me. That's what I do. But when I first started, okay, everything is all edited. So once you finish editing, you are already at the edit captions. Now you can go to the style. And depending on what platform you're using it for, you want to pick the ratio, the sizing basically. And this is gonna be for my IGTV. So I'll put vertical. If you were just gonna have it for your Instagram feed, you could put square. But because I edited already knowing that I'm doing vertical, I didn't make the ratio for the video to fit a square. So obviously it looks like that. But if you originally edited in a square, it would make more sense. Or let's say this is a regular YouTube dimension, 16 by 9, but I'm doing it vertical because I'm going to put it IGTV, and I do like it to fit this way. Again, if you were to use this dimension and you expect it to, when you tilt your phone, to go horizontal, that will not be, because you've already set it in a ratio. I strategically keep it this way because of how I like the marketing to be on my Instagram feed. So just keep that in mind. If you did want it to be able to rotate with their phone, then this is probably not the way you want it to be. Then you just want it to be original and upload it right there on your IGTV original format, so it can turn whichever way. But I'm using it this way for a specific reason, and you're going to see why. So starting with the caption style, they have a few caption styles already inputted, but you could edit it. For the type of video that I have right now, I actually edited these two, the minimal and the caption and headline, for my branded colors. But you can obviously just go in, I mean, I can show you right here, right underneath it says manage, and you can go in and edit how you want them to look like. But I've already set it up. So for my caption, and this is the caption, meaning what you just transcribed. Okay, so you guys see it there at the bottom. But if you want it to move up or down, I'm gonna move it up closer to my actual video. And I want a heading for the specific type of video. And again, I can fine tune it and bring it down to what this type of heading style, it's already here. But you can also edit it as well. Okay, and then add the edit here. Why you won't. Okay, I'm gonna pause because I actually don't have the title made up yet, so I'm just gonna pause here until you have title. Okay, so I believe this is a catchy enough title. Imposter syndrome will keep you broke. Okay, and if you follow me on Instagram, you will see that on my Instagram feed, this is what you see, and that's why I keep the dimension like this. And it's also great for when my audience share it. This is what they'll see. It's trending right now, having these captioned videos, and it will help you a lot with your reach and getting shareable content out there when you're following some trend sometimes. Okay, so that's how it's gonna look. You can change the background, which I usually do, to a specific light purple. Yeah, like that. And that's about it. Okay, you can change the size, the coloring of the caption depending on how you want to do it. This is what I do. Everything looks pretty good. I like to play it. I like to play it so I can see. We see accounts that. Sorry, I like to play to see where the caption kind of hits or how high up it can get, because I don't want it to really cover my face too much. So I usually, you see how there's a line and I'm moving it, so I put a little bit over that line. So no matter how much, up at 100K and they're doing their thing, and you're thinking, how can I sell when there's people like this, when there's accounts like this, when there's business like this that are already here? And then when you do have, so if you see it expands, if there's a 3-line caption part of the video, it could go up or down. So when it goes down or up, I still want it to cover the line basically. And as you use this tool, the software, you'll understand why. Okay, and then I just simply go over and download. Okay, so you're gonna see here it says when you render this video, one video will be deducted from the 2 videos in your account balance, leaving you with 1 more video left. So there's different plans. There's a free plan, it only covers 1 video. So if you're just doing this for a video maybe once a month, then yeah. However, if you are looking for a type of software like this, I'm going to assume you want more than 1 video. It is a paid service. I believe it's very affordable for what you get. You get 10 videos to upload in a month. And usually most YouTubers are uploading 4, but because I'm really active on YouTube and Instagram, and for Instagram growth as well, having videos is a big tool. I'm uploading almost 10 videos. As you can see, this is my first month using it, and I'm only at 1 video left, and my monthly subscription is done in like 3 days until it renews. So this is a very huge tool. My videos increase views double the amount, as I mentioned in the beginning of the video. This is a great tool. I'm always a person to be frugal when you just start your business. There are some things that will help you in the beginning to give you more time in your business, okay? If this is going to help you reach more clients, then you just weigh out what makes more sense to you, okay? So I'm just going to simply go ahead and download it. And that's how easy it is. The download is going to be available. When it is, you download it to your computer, you have it on your computer, or you can keep it on the website when you're actually ready to use it. I won't be uploading this until tomorrow, so I'll just keep it on the website. All right, so in the description box below, you're going to see a referral code. When you use this amazing software, be sure to use that referral code. It helps me a lot. It lets the company know that I am doing the job for really speaking great things about the company. So that be amazing. All right. So I'll catch you back and go back to the actual video, and yeah. All right, there you have it. That is how you can simply add captions to your video and make meme-like videos. So another a bonus tip to set up your videos to success, because I'm all about bonuses, is to literally lay out your videos in the most engaging way. Too often I see seasoned entrepreneurs and new entrepreneurs make this rookie mistakes when they are not making their videos engaging. So in my free Instagram Grow and Attract group, I'm gonna actually share the exact script I use to make my YouTube videos and my IGTV videos, so that it's the most engaging, most effective way to get people to watch more of my videos and get hooked onto my product and service. And I want that for you too, so be sure to go to my free Instagram Grow and Attract Guide group for new and aspiring female Christian entrepreneurs. And you can find the link down below. All right, Just Start Gang, if you want to continue to learn how to build an online profitable business as a new and aspiring Christian entrepreneur, then be sure to check out these 2 videos and subscribe to my channel. Well, please keep sharing the good news and keep up the great work. I'll see you in my next video.